As some of you might already know, TikTok has been banning zero follower accounts, also known as loophole accounts, which are accounts that are linked to a seller center. Now, I'm going to give you the details on this and break down 3 different options for you to continue promoting products and printing money as an affiliate. Now, it looks like this policy really went into effect overnight, and I've already seen dozens of reports of this happening to other people. Now, this is the message that was sent out by TikTok explaining the new update. It says, new official shop creators cannot access our TikTok shop product affiliate marketplace per our creator eligibility policy. These creators can only promote products from the TikTok shop that they are bound to through an official creator bind. This means that if you link a TikTok account with less than 5,000 followers to your seller center, you will only be able to promote products in your shop or products listed inside of that seller center. Now, most of you probably aren't selling products in that way, so for you, there's no real benefit to linking your account to a seller center. Now, does all of this suck? Absolutely. But here are 3 different ways to continue promoting products as an affiliate. Option number 1 is going to be to buy an account. This is by far the easiest way to get an account set up for TikTok Shop, but it is going to cost you money. These accounts can range in price, but typically you can find them for between $300 and $600. And usually these accounts will already have TikTok Shop permissions granted to them, and they have 5,000 followers. So there's no reason to link them to a seller center. And if you don't know where to buy these, I have a section of my Discord dedicated to this. We've got some of the most reputable TikTok account sellers in this entire space, along with guidelines to keep you safe before and after buying accounts. I'll leave a link to my free Discord group in the description of this video. And yes, it's actually free. I'm not asking you for any money, and I don't make any money when these accounts are sold. And option number 2 is to grow an account to 5,000 followers. Now, this definitely is not as easy as it used to be, but it is still very achievable. You can post podcast clips, Reddit stories, or other viral clips until you hit 5K. And at that point, all you would need to do is open up Creator Tools and sign up for the TikTok Shop affiliate program from inside of your TikTok account. And you'll be granted instant access, assuming you have no violations. Now, option number 3 is a bit more complicated, but most people don't actually know about this one. For this method, you would be running your TikTok videos as ads with the goal of gaining new followers. You do have to pay for this, but sometimes it can be cheaper than buying an account. I won't go too deep into this, but I will give you the basics. First, you'll need a TikTok business account and a TikTok ads account. Then you should have at least one video on your TikTok account, and this will work best if that video gives people a reason to follow. For example, you could have a video of someone telling a story and then end the video just before the story ends. Now, I would also have text on the screen or in the caption to let the viewer know to follow for part 2. This is going to end up saving you money, and it'll make it easier to gain followers from your ad. From there, all you need to do is generate an ad code for your video and then run it as an ad from your TikTok ads account. Like I said, I won't go too deep into that in this video, but if it sounds interesting, let me know in the comments and I can make a full breakdown of how to do that. Now, those are your 3 options for getting 5K accounts, but before you go, I want to remind you of something. Everything that's going on right now might make this seem like it's the end of the road, especially if you were affected by this new policy, but I can promise you it's not. This is just a speed bump on your path to success, and whether or not you make it through depends on what you do next. There's going to be lots of people that give up completely, and that just means that if you keep pushing, there will be less competition moving forward. So with that being said, check the description of this video if you want to learn more about TikTok Shop, and until next time, I wish you the very best of luck.